Hi there, Pro Tinker on eBay. Hey, have you ever wanted to have your own submarine fleet when you're in the bathtub or maybe just in a pool? Well, I've got the model kit for you. I used to have this when I was in the Navy about 30 years ago, the Doyusha motorized submarine, okay? Now, what's really cool about this submarine is it actually goes underwater and surfaces and goes back under. All right, now, when you bought this model originally, it didn't come with the motor, okay? So what I did is I went online and I bought a bunch of motors. I got a bunch of them from China, okay? These are the motors. They're called the D20 or something, and they basically go in your motor compartment right here because it has all your fittings. It has your prop, it has your electronics, your counterweights, because what happens is here's what the model, as you go through the water, the submarine goes down under and then comes back up and then goes back down under. It's really sweet. This is a sweet kit, and I haven't listed it yet because I didn't have the motors, but now I do, and now you can have your entire submarine fleet to play in your pool or to just have fun with. So the Doyusha F01 or 401 1/300 scale model kit, Japanese submarine type A or 1401 Sentoku. EG2000. Doyusha, I think it is. I'm not really Japanese or Chinese or Japanese. I don't really know how to say that. But this is a really cool item, motorized submarine that you can have and have a lot of fun. Dive!